Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something super exciting to talk about. If you've been working with Pinterest or you're considering diving into Pinterest marketing, you're going to want to stick around for this one. We're going to dive deep into Pin Inspector, one of the most powerful Pinterest research tools I've come across, and trust me, this one is a game changer. Now, if you're like me, you're probably using Pinterest for content marketing or even product promotion. Pinterest isn't just a social platform, it's the fourth largest search engine in the world. With over 550 million active monthly users, Pinterest is a huge opportunity for driving traffic and sales, but it can be tricky to really crack the code when it comes to what's actually working on the platform. That's where Pin Inspector comes in. So, what is Pin Inspector? In short, it's a Pinterest research software that helps you uncover top-performing content on Pinterest. But it's much more than that. The latest version, which just got an update, is packed with so many powerful features that honestly, if you're not using something like this, you're leaving a lot of potential traffic on the table. One of the standout features in this new version is the ability to extract real Pinterest monthly search volume for keywords. If you've tried using other tools, you'll know that most tools pull their data from Google. But Pin Inspector goes straight to the source and gets its data from Pinterest itself. That's incredibly valuable because it means you're looking at data that's directly from the platform you're trying to optimize for. And this data isn't just generic search volume numbers. The annotations tool that comes with this feature will show you the actual search volume for specific keywords on Pinterest. You can see exactly what people are searching for and how often, so you can target those high-performing keywords in your pins. Think about how powerful that is when you can optimize your content with keywords that are already proven to be popular on Pinterest. But that's not all. Another feature that I absolutely love is the ability to extract related interest keywords from Pinterest boards. When you search for a keyword on Pinterest, the platform shows you related interests and keywords. With Pin Inspector, you can now extract those related terms along with their Pinterest monthly search volume, giving you a much broader and deeper understanding of what's resonating with the audience in your niche. This is crucial because it allows you to expand your keyword strategy and target not just one keyword, but a whole cluster of related keywords that could bring even more traffic to your pins. Now, if you're like me and you're always trying to spy on what others are doing to figure out what's working in your niche, Pin Inspector lets you do just that. With the Browse and Scrape feature, you can not only extract individual pins but also whole Pinterest boards and user profiles. This is where things get super interesting because you can essentially reverse engineer your competitors' Pinterest strategies. You can see which pins, boards, and even which user profiles are getting the most engagement, and then you can use that information to refine your own strategy. Another amazing thing about Pin Inspector is that it's a one-time payment software. You don't have to worry about monthly subscription fees or hidden costs. Once you get access, you get lifetime updates, no ongoing payments to access all these powerful features. And speaking of updates, Dave, the creator of Pin Inspector, just deployed 8 major updates in March 2025. He's spent over 150 hours integrating these features, and trust me, you can feel the quality in the tool. This latest version is packed with so much value, and the improvements they've made are well worth the price. Speaking of price, if you act fast, you can actually get 52% off the regular price for the next 5 days. This is the lowest price Dave has ever offered since Pin Inspector first launched back in 2021. So, if you've been thinking about getting it, now is the time to grab it while it's on sale. You'll be able to test drive the software and all its powerful features at an amazing price. Let's not forget about Pinterest itself. This platform isn't just about pretty pictures. Pinterest is a massive search engine where people actively search for products, ideas, and solutions. In fact, 60% of buyers start their research on Pinterest, And 72% of users say Pinterest inspires them to buy things even when they weren't planning on making a purchase. This means your pins have the potential to drive a lot of sales if you know how to optimize them effectively. And here's another stat that's pretty wild. The lifespan of a pin is around 105 days. That's over 3 months. Compare that to Facebook's 5 to 6 hours, Instagram's 48 hours, or even Twitter's 15 to 20 minutes, and you'll quickly see why Pinterest is such a powerful platform for long-term traffic. With the right strategy, your pins can still be driving engagement long after you've posted them. So, if you're not using Pin Inspector yet, and you're serious about Pinterest marketing, you're really missing out. It's time to unlock the power of Pinterest, uncover what's working, and start driving more traffic to your content and products. And remember, if you already own Pin Inspector, you can download the latest version by simply restarting the software. The update will appear automatically, and you don't need to repurchase. Alright, that's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below if you have any questions about Pin Inspector or Pinterest marketing in general. I'll see you in the next one.